Hello everyone, welcome to Medgrind. Today in this video, I will be explaining the step-by-step process of applying for provisional registration with the medical council. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe so that you never miss any important updates. So let's get started. So first things first, to apply, let's look at the documents you need for provisional registration. This is the entire list of all the documents that you would need. You can either take a screenshot or just note them down. Out of all these, for the self-attestation form, I'll be attaching the link in the description below, so make sure you check that. First of all, we will open the official website of Punjab Medical Council. Click on the very first link. You will see this tab and then click on Apply Online. It will open this tab. So if you have registered already, you can simply fill in your email ID, password and then log in. But if you have not, then click here to create your profile. For that, first of all, fill your name, your father's name, your email address, your phone number, date of birth, create your password and fill your password again, captcha code, and then click on register just at the bottom. Once you do this step, you will receive OTP on your phone number. After doing this is how your profile will look like. On the left hand side, you will get all these options: my profile, application status, payment history, apply online. Because we are applying, so let's go to apply online. So this will give you options to apply for all these documents. In our case, we will click on this one, application form for provisional registration. So apply now. Again, you will see two options. First one is application form for provisional registration for 1 year internship training after passing MBBS, and second is for those graduates who have done their MBBS out of Punjab. So in our case, we will click on first one. So apply now. Okay, you will see this slide next. For medical qualification, it's going to be MBBS and then your year of passing. For example, in my case, it was December 2024, and then state of passing going to be Punjab, because of course we are applying on Punjab Medical Council website, and then the name of your university, then college name, date of joining approved hospital for internship. It's going to be tentative date, the date you are going to start your internship, and then date by which internship would be completed. Again, this is going to be tentative, and then name of the hospital where you would be doing your internship. Once you fill in all this information, then you click on save, and then we will go to the next page. Again, here is a list of all the documents that I have shown you previously in my second slide. So basically you go here, choose file, and then you choose the correct file from your computer. And once you choose the file, make sure you click on upload, and then that's how you do it for each and every document. Once you upload everything and then save, this is how it will look like. So when you go to this eye and click on this icon, it will show you the document that you have uploaded, so that you can double check. Once you have uploaded everything, you can just click on pay application fee or check payment status. And guys, this is a breakdown of the fee that you will be paying for the provisional registration. So you can basically click on pay now, and then you can pay with whatever mode of payment you want to do it. So processing time. Once submitted, the processing usually takes between 7 to 15 working days, but some of the medical councils, they have started issuing digital certificates which can conveniently be downloaded from their website. However, the timeline may vary on the state council, so make sure you check with the respective state council. Next is some of the common mistakes that you have to avoid during this application. So many students face delay because of the small but important mistakes. Please keep these in mind. Number 1, avoid any spelling mismatch between the Aadhaar card and mark sheets. Number 2, don't delay your application as late submission can affect your internship joining. And number 3, make sure you upload the high quality scanned documents. Blurred or unclear files may get rejected. So this was the entire process of applying for your provisional registration. Thank you so much for watching this video. I would love to hear your feedback in the comment section below. I'll be creating more step-by-step guides on registrations, certificates, and all other important processes that every doctor and dentist needs to know. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your batchmates, and subscribe to the channel for more updates. Until next time, this is Medgrind, empowering doctors and dentists on their professional journey. Thank you.